Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hey food lovers! Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to perfectly crispy and flavorful grilled chicken wings. I'll show you how to prep your wings, get that amazing crunch, and master the grill for juicy, golden results. Stay tuned till the end, and don't forget, part 2 will cover sauces, finishing touches, and plating tips. There is something special about the smell of grilled chicken wings wafting through the backyard on a sunny afternoon. While deep-fried wings are the standard at most sports bars, the grill offers a depth of flavor that a fryer simply can't match. You get that irresistible combination of a smoky charred aroma and a shatteringly crisp skin that feels light rather than greasy. Many people worry that grilling leads to either rubbery skin or dried-out meat. Fortunately, it's easier to master than you might think. With the right heat management and a few preparation tricks, you can produce restaurant-quality results in your own driveway. This guide will walk you through the essential steps of drying your wings, balancing your grill temperatures, and timing your sauce for the perfect bite. How to prep your wings for a crispy finish. The biggest enemy of a crispy wing is moisture. When you pull chicken straight from the package, it's covered in liquid that will turn into steam the moment it hits the heat. If your wings are steaming, the skin will stay soft and chewy. To avoid this, you must take the time to pat every single wing dry with paper towels. It sounds like a small step, but it's the foundation of a great wing. Once the surface is dry, you can focus on the seasoning process. A quality dry rub doesn't just add flavor. It works with the heat to create a textured crust that holds onto your favorite sauces later. Using a dry rub is better than a wet marinade if you want maximum crunch. While marinades are great for flavor, they introduce more liquid to the skin. Instead, pick a dry rub that complements your final sauce. If you're going for classic buffalo wings, a simple mix of salt, pepper, and garlic powder works wonders. You want to coat the wings evenly, making sure the spices get into all the nooks and crannies of the joints. This creates a barrier that allows the fat under the skin to render out efficiently, which is the secret to that golden brown finish everyone loves. The magic of baking powder and salt. If you want to take the crunch factor to another level, look in your pantry for some aluminum-free baking powder. This is a classic trick used by home cooks and chefs alike to mimic the texture of a deep fryer. When you mix a little baking powder with your salt and spices, it raises the pH level of the chicken skin. This chemical reaction breaks down the peptide bonds in the skin. It allows the surface to crisp up and blister beautifully under the heat of the grill. To get this right, use a ratio of about 1 tablespoon of baking powder for every pound of wings. Mix it thoroughly with your salt and other dry spices before tossing the wings in a large bowl. You don't want clumps of powder in one spot, so shake the bowl well until every wing has a light, dusty coating. This method works on gas, charcoal, and pellet grills, providing a consistent texture that stays crunchy even after you toss the wings in a wet sauce. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.